Hi everyone, in this video I am making admin app for the online quiz app we have been making for a few days. First create a new project and add the same Firebase database as we added in the user app of online quiz app. Now I am adding a home page and setting up the Firebase authentication for admin app on the main activity. We don't need to add any email password login activity or any Google sign in login activity in this admin app. We can use Firebase sign in anonymous block to do it. Now in this home page we will use it to navigate to other pages to control the online quiz app, like going to all quiz pages and going to all user list page. Also, I will add a list view on the home page to show all the online quizzes that are available for users to play, and admin can delete them from here. Let let's go back in the online quiz app and just copy the blocks that we used here to show the online quizzes in list view. We need the same layout and same block arrangement as well as to show in the admin app. Here I am adding a text view as a delete button so admin can delete any online quiz anytime he wants. Now I am adding one activity for uploading the new quizzes and one activity to show all the users that are available on online quiz app. First, let's see how the online quiz app will show the quizzes and its questions. So here on the all quizzes page on the on-bind custom view, when we click on any quiz, it will get the key of that quiz and take it to the quiz details page. Here you can see that key we got from all quizzes activity is here, and we will get all the details of the quiz by that key. Now when user click on play quiz button, here also we are using that same key and we are taking that key to the quiz playing activity. Here you can see we have another database where all the questions will be uploaded, and we are using that key to show the only questions for that particular quiz. So as you see, the key is very important. So the first thing we will do is we will get the key here. Now adding edit text views and image views for uploading new quizzes. Now adding components. First, Firebase database. We will name it all quizzes. This is the database where all the quizzes will be available. And then we will add another database, quiz QQ. This database will store all the questions of all the quizzes. And then we will add any Firebase storage component, any name, just to upload the images. And then we will add a file picker component to pick image files from mobile storage. Now we have completed this. The rest of the process will be shown in the next part of this video, which will be the final part. The admin app will be ready in the next video. So like and subscribe and keep watching.